This is a 1989 NX650 frame with an XR600 engine, 1992. You'll notice the titanium pipes that came on the first edition, I think, of the XR600. The swing arm was from an NX and powder coated. Front forks are from an XR400. The rear hub was laced to an aftermarket 17 and spokes custom fit. Front is a 19 from Warp 9. Halogen bulb, but the rest of the electronics are LED. Subframe was chopped and moved. Custom seat tank is an XL 500. Shinko E805 on the rear, and the front is the Continental TKC 80. Engine painted and very cold, but we've got a little button here, on off, secret button there. We're gonna kick till we get compression and hopefully start this jalopy. Let's see, get compression there. Going to turn the choke on. And that's it, NX650 Scrambler. Oh, the rear shock is from a V-Strom by YSS that actually fits the NX frame. The NX shocks are not rebuildable, so no way to use it. Turn the lights on here. So we've got signals, tail light, signals up front, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.